Hello everyone, it's Bahram and I'm back again. In this video, I want to teach you basic English greetings. Greetings. Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you too? How are you too? How are you too? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. My name is Bahram. My name is Bahram. My name is Bahram. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? My name is Nina. Are you single? Are you single? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. How about you? How about you? I am single too. I am single too. Okay, Nina. Have a good day. Okay, Nina. Have a good day. Thanks. Have a good day too, Bahram. Goodbye. Goodbye. If you want to learn English perfectly, subscribe my English channel.